Now, there are two important peptides that are associated with the natural response to increased volume and pressure within the heart. And these peptides are released from both the atria as well as the ventricles. And we'll start off our discussion here with atrial natriuretic peptide. So let's start off by breaking down the name. So here you can see it, atrial natriuretic peptide. And as the name implies, it is released from the atrial myocytes. Now the word natriuretic here tells us that it's involved in the process of natriuresis, which is excretion of sodium within the urine. And last but not least, it's a peptide, or short-chained amino acid. So when would atrial natriuretic peptide be released? There you go, when you have increased volume or pressure within the atria. Now this increased volume and pressure lead to activation of the stretch receptors within atrial myocytes, which leads to the release of atrial natriuretic peptide. So what exactly does atrial natriuretic peptide do? Well, first off, it acts via cyclic GMP to cause vasodilation and decrease sodium reabsorption in the renal collecting tubules. Also, during this process, it leads to dilation of the afferent renal arteriole and constriction of the efferent renal arteriole, which further promotes diuresis. And last but not least, it'll lead to aldosterone inhibition, which will further increase sodium excretion. Now this entire process is to do two main things: decrease the overall volume as well as pressure within the heart.